they might have jumped the gun a little bit too early. And possibly this morning they realized, yes, despite the angry Fed, and yes, despite stretched valuations, despite what Cliff Asness said, despite what those bank bosses said last week, and despite what Michael Burry, who I talked about in last week's update, who was publicly, well, actually, the disclosure showed that he had been buying puts on some of those tech stocks, specifically Palantir and NVIDIA, which, side note, he decided to shut down his hedge fund this week. That was the news that came out. So the guy that everyone was talking so highly of last week because he was shorting the tech trade, the Big Short guy from the movie, from the book, everyone thought they should pay attention. Well, apparently it didn't work out so well for him because he essentially is shutting down his hedge fund as of this week. So will it follow through? We won't know. But there's some interesting things that are going to happen next week that may ultimately weigh on that the answer to that question.